So I wanted to update you guys on the duplex and the progress. We're getting closer and closer to being finished. I wanted to give you a little progress tour. Here is the kitchen. You remember before we had lots of wallpaper. Everything's been painted. And I had a closet put in, moved the hot water heater over here, and that will also be pantry. I left this little guy unpainted. May come back and have the actual trim here painted, but leave these unpainted. What do you think? Into the living room, very large living room. Yes, I still have these sconce lights. I don't know if I'll leave them or replace them. Had new windows put in here and there. Had that awning painted outside as well. Got a new steel door here because that's a shared hallway on the other side. We are replacing this light. If you can see the nicotine stains on the glass. Whew. And the fireplace. Oh, I think it's cute. Into the larger bedroom, master bedroom maybe. Everything is painted. Adding a new light in here. All of these windows are going to get cleaned. All of this nicotine on the outside and on the window panes. Decided not to paint the doors. I figured they'd probably get chipped and look ugly from use, you know, when they're painted, so just left them unpainted for now. Through the hallway into the hall bath. We had to have some plumbing done, and we had this tub glazed and a new surround put in. Looks a lot better. And yes, I am leaving the swan doors. We'll have them painted and put back, cleaned and put back on. And the vanity will go here. There we go. Still the old light is there. We'll have that replaced. Okay. And then last but not least, the back bedroom with the two closets. Everything's gotten a fresh coat of paint. This is the one closet. And there's a second closet there. And then the crazy yellow bathroom has gotten glazed. It's looking really good. It looks completely different. Crazy shower. All fixed. All the plumbing back here was updated as well. All right, bye-bye.